Hey guys, I'm back. Today we're gonna cook, but not any cooking, super simple, easy, fast cooking with ramen again. Yay! So today we are gonna make a kind of Toowoomba pasta, but it's simpler and the ingredients are easier to get. Look, ramen, the easiest thing to get in the world. So today we are gonna need 1.5 cup of milk, 2 green onions, half a teaspoon of red pepper powder, and 2 cups of water, and a ramen. That's it. And so, first step, we're going to turn this thing on, and we're going to press on. And then, oh my gosh, it's loud, I'm sorry. We're going to pour the 2 cups of water in here. So we're gonna wait for it to boil up like lava. Oh, the bubbles are beginning to form. I'm drawing underwater with bubbles. Yay! So after the water's like this, we're gonna put the ramen and the vegetables if you have it. Not this. The one included in the ramen. Ah, here it is. Yeah. Maybe this side. Yes. We open that. We take the ramen out. And we just spelunk it in there. And so this is the vegetables. This is sauce. We're going to need the sauce for later, so put it to the side. And right now, we're going to need the vegetables. So open that. Maybe this side. Open that. Oops. Shake it. Open that. And pour that in. Shake it, shake it up. Shake it, shake it up. Now the vegetables are in, and we're going to wiggle it. Whee! Flip it. Oh, it's so fluffy. Oh, there it is. There's that weakness. So we're only going to do this for 1 minute. And make sure you split and break that ramen. Break. Oh, let me go to the boiling point. Yes. Yes. Okay, it's been 1 minute and it should look like this. Not in a neat square. All wild, like this. And then we're going to turn this off. And then we're going to pour the water out. See you in a sec. Okay, boom. The frying pan. It has no water. Boop, boop, boop. No water. As you can see, no water. After we do that, we're going to turn that back on. Function. And then we're going to pour the milk in. And then we pour the milk in. And then we are going to pour 2 green onions. Boop. All of it doesn't fall out at once. And red pepper powder in. Half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of red pepper powder. And we're going to put half of the ramen soup in. Half. That's about enough. Okay, so that's about a half. And then we're going to mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Up. So we only need to do this for about 2 minutes. Ooh, the soup's turning pink. Yes, my favorite part. Ooh, pink. Shake it up. So we're gonna do this and leave it for about 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes and this is what it looks like. The soup should be a little bit sticky like pasta. And the noodles should be fully cooked. Okay, stop that. Stop that. We're going to turn this off now. Okay, the plate and the fork and all of this is ready. Now, time for the plating. Okay, I'm going to grab this. Oh, heavy. And we're going to put the noodles. Oh, the noodles are stuck to the bottom of the frying pan. Let me just, yeah. Okay, for fanciness, put some parsley. Boom, boom, boom. Parsley attack. And now, we're going to taste it like expert chefs. Spiral it up. Ooh. Do you see this, everyone? Look at it. Steaming hot. If you could smell this, you would be like, hallelujah. Ah! Okay, so the noodles cost only about $1 to $2. And it only takes about 5 minutes to make this glorious sight. Okay, let's taste it. This is real pasta. This is really good. Like the soup texture is all pasta. Look. It's pasta texture. And the noodles are dry enough that they taste like pasta. And the red pepper powder in here is spicy enough so that I can eat it. But it's not so spicy that I can't eat it. Perfecto. It is delicious. Ooh, more. It's hot, so I need to blow on it. So good. I seriously, highly, super duper recommend this. And I hope you enjoy it. Bye!